Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. It is a very cold day outside today, and it's gray, it's gloomy, it's rainy, but we're here nonetheless. We've got Chris first in the chat. What's going on, Chris? Giovanni, Dark Bro, 775, Michael, Dark Bro, 775, Dark Bro, Chris, Dark Bro, Bree, we got Dark Bro, Gorilla, Chris, Dark Bro, 775, Dark Bro, Giovanni, J-Bones, baby, J-Bones, Nick F, good morning to you, Nick F, Dark Bro, J-Bones, Dark Bro, J-Bones, 775, Dark Bro, J-Bones, Dark Bro, Old Rounder, Giovanni, Dark Bro, Next Level, Dark Bro, 775, Challenge Channel, Giovanni, J-Bones, we get 775, Next Level, Dark Bro, Giovanni, all of you guys, glad to have you in here right now. Let's go over to the market and look at what we got going on today. AMC, $10.48, sitting up 5.22% of the day today. Shiba Inu coin top right, sitting at 765, bouncing down pretty hard a couple minutes ago, but bouncing, it's still down 4% of the day today, bouncing up a little bit from 750 to 765. GameStop sitting at 1322 right now. QQQ 348.80 at the moment. QQQ showing some volatility, man, hitting some higher lows throughout the day. So if you guys are playing puts, please watch out for that. The NASDAQ, mamma mia, the NASDAQ is down 0.09% today. Not doing too much there. Sitting at 12,777. AMC 1051. GameStop 1323. Dogecoin 6.7 cents, down about 4% of the day today as well. Ethereum 1792. Shiba Inu coin 766. Bitcoin sitting at 34,290. Volatile right there. The SPY is up 0.15%. The QQQ is down 0.12%. Mullen Auto, 14% move higher. Mullen Auto showing its volatility again, going all the way from 25 cents to 34 cents. At least we know there's some life left in Mullen Auto, even though all it ever wants to do is go down. Sundial sitting at $1.38. Netflix, 406. Highcroft Mining, 22.5 cents. MPW, 4.91. We get Tesla sitting at $198.23. Amazon, 132. Apple, $169. And we're going to watch Bitcoin down on the bottom left-hand side of the screen right now. Oh, crap, nice costume play. Thank you very much, 775 Bree guy. I am, my niece and nephew got a little, I don't know, trunk or treat or whatever going on at their preschool later today, and I am going, so I'm going to be missing the afternoon live, and I'm going to give you guys a little taste of what they're going to have a little bit later today. Glad to have all you guys in here. What do we got going on? Oh, that's why you're late. Costume. It's actually a lot harder to go to the bathroom in full suspenders than you would think. You got to take these bad boys off. Bree guy, it's crazy, man. Good morning, Robert. What's up, people? What's going on, Moji? Solana. Up we go. Let's check out where Solana's at. Clearly, that costume is on point. Boo! What should I say? Yahoo! 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 Dark Bro, man. Thank you. Yahoo! Thank you very much for the compliment on the costume, man. XRP had a nice spike around 7 a.m. I saw XRP at 59 cents. I don't know where it's at right now. We'll figure it out. Clay going old school with the costume, baby. Oh, yeah. I'm dressing up like Clay Bro today. Let's get started. So, what would a Clay Bro dress up look like? Just like unicorn hair and a bro zip up hoodie? Is that a Clay Bro costume? It's me, Mario. It's me, Mario. Yes, it is, Old Rounder. Let's check out Solana for our boy over there real quick. See what? Ooh, XRP. We got XRP pulled up, so we'll look at both of them actually. XRP sitting at 59.4 cents. And let's see what it did this morning. Yes, started a run this morning. Ran all the way up to, bouncing up even higher over the last couple of minutes here. Getting ready to test that 60 cent per coin level. XRP got some excellent 24 hours activity there. Even the 7-day is looking good. The month is looking good. Year, I mean, we got that volatile swing right here, but the year is still looking good for XRP. Let's check, and I might look, these gloves, they might make it a little bit more difficult for me to type. I don't know how this dude did plumbing work in gloves like this, but I mean, I guess you got the white glove treatment, right? Solana, that's what we're looking at. We got Solana. Ooh, Dude, you're going to be testing $40 on Solana here pretty soon. That's almost a guarantee. $36.24, up another 3%, up 20% on the week, up 68% on the month, and erasing all of the FTX losses on the year, up 9%. 9% gain on the year. Not only is that an excellent annualized gain, it erased every single loss from FTX. Dude, Solana is performing phenomenally. I just tried to rhyme it with Solana there. The hair is the hardest part. The hair would be the hardest part, man. You'd have to give yourself your own haircut and move on with that, but that's the best you could do. Dark Bro, way to thrash Bronson this week in fantasy football. Clay's team. What happened? Did I win? Did I win in fantasy football this week? Did I do well? Channel's down. Why? Oh, what do you mean? What do you mean the channel's down? You mean views are down? Or do you mean like you can't actually see the channel, Gadar? Tell me. I don't know what you mean by down. Did you see Juno blow up last night? I did not see Juno blow up. We're going to pull that up. If there was a fight between Bitcoin and Ethereum, who would win based on merit, not hype? Well, dude, honestly, I think both of them, like, based on merit, kind of makes it a little bit difficult because I think that Bitcoin's strong points are much, much different than Ethereum's strong points. So if you're looking at merit in terms of, like, trying to judge who would win that fight, it would have to be whatever you prioritize. So Bitcoin's, like, true decentralized nature and just first mover advantage and an essential, like, true, just crypto actual currency, I would say Bitcoin would probably win on that type of merit. But if you're talking about, like, the ability to create and the ability to build and maybe the ability to kind of, like, move an entire blockchain industry forward, I actually might give that one to Ethereum, dude, because you don't see people out there building on the Bitcoin network, right? All of these tokens that people build are built on the Ethereum network. So that's a difficult question based on merit, because I think it depends on what you prioritize your merit, man. Neckbeard crushed it. J-Bones, man. Thank you, crushed it, Clay. Did I really? Did I? If I crushed it, man, good. Because I wouldn't know if I did. Michael Allen. Mike says, Mario. Late, bro. Clay fuddin' Lunk yesterday. No, I wasn't fuddin' Lunk yesterday. I was more of a cautious. I said it was both good and bad. By the way, Clay's costume would have yard rodent gnawings on his face. I don't have any yard rodent gnawings on my face anymore. Those scars have healed, and I've become a better man because of it. Plus, I punched myself in the face. It wasn't anything to do with yard rodents, Michael. And no, I really don't want you to think that I was fudding Terra Luna Classic, right? The community potentially being scared or cautious is completely fine. I would rather be conservative than take a chance and blow it all. But eventually we do need to take a chance, right? Eventually somebody needs to make a decision, and you don't see any businesses around today because they were afraid to take a chance. If you want to grow, we're going to need to see some change. But I do really appreciate the fact that people are being conservative right now if they don't know the best move forward. If you don't know the best move forward, man, you might as well stay in the same place that you're in. If you've got an idea and you want to take a chance, do it. That's what Terra Luna Classic will need to see in the coming days. Just look on Dex Tools, all my coins are red. At least I did not lose all the gains on Gala's run yesterday. So let's look at Juno, and let's look and see if Gala ran as well. Juno, oh, smokes, man. Juno, 82% over the last 24 hours. Up 160% over the last week, and it's already pulling back from those 67-cent highs. 232% over the last month. Guys, you better watch out for Juno, man. Wish I knew what the market cap was there. Yeah, you guys better watch out for Juno. Juno is on an absolute roll over the last month, and it's got a long way to go just to get back up to its $3 annual high. So that's got to be exciting for anybody that is in Juno. I did not see that move, but that's a huge move, man. 82% in 24 hours, roughly 20 million. See, this is the interesting part. $20 million in market cap, essentially $20 million in market cap, created over the last 24 hours on just $2 million in volume. That makes you wonder, right? How do we get a $20 million increase on $2 million in volume? Must be the power of liquidity pools, ladies and gentlemen. Must be the power of liquidity pools. You know what? This is crazy. This is still trending here. Yeah. No real move. Pepe, what's Pepe? Pepe's down 6% on the day today, but still trending. Having a nice week. Having a nice month, up 43% on the month. Big time coin. Down 11%. So people must be selling off a big time coin. Okay. Keep an eye on that one. I don't know why it's trending if it's down 11%. You would expect something good to be trending today. Denial, Clay, bro. We all know it's the yard rodents. I promise, man. I promised. I did it to myself. Don't tell on the yard rodents, man. Are you going to save Shib from the evil Shitoshi? Can I? I don't know if I can. If I can, the answer is yes. We're going to save Shib from the evil Shitoshi. But if I can't, it's going to be because the Shiba Inu coin community is just way too dedicated to this guy, man. There's an extreme dedication on Twitter to Shitoshi, and it's kind of crazy, man. I might be overexposed to XRP, but I feel good right now buying a ton at 51 cents. Hey, old rounder, put a stop. Depending on where you have it, I don't know if you can put a stop loss on or not, but don't let it go back down into the negative. If you feel overexposed on it, you can either shave some right now, make a very nice, what is that? Almost a 20% profit, dude. Make an almost 20% profit, or, you know, just don't let it go back down into negative territory. And I think you're going to be solid in that case. You can be overexposed even if you are making money. It feels great if you're making money. Just don't let it turn back negative. And you might be better off shaving some of your position. If you truly do feel overexposed, you might be better off shaving some of your position before you really have to worry about it moving around. Check it out, SLP. Let's look at it. Dark Bro, did you dress as SPF today? He may have, man. Anybody dressing as anything today? Just left the tire shop. Cost me almost $500 to have 2 new tires put on the rear of my Mustang. Dude, tires are insane, man. Tires are insane. They can get really expensive really fast, dude. It's nuts. Laughing my butt. Oh, geez, Clay, just tuned in. You're looking good. Mamma mia, Robbie's here. Let's go. It's me, Mario. It's me, Clay, bro. Hi, Hey, Clay. What's going on, Claudio? How are you, man? You almost said Mario. I see you there. I'm going to go save Princess Peach today. Me and Yoshi. Toad going to go on an adventure and save Peach today. What was the Gala V2 address? Couldn't find it. Let's see if we can find it on here. Gala V2. Gala. All right. What do we got? Migrated to a new contract address from the old contract address. Let's just see if we got the... Dark Bro. I mean, you click on new contract address, and this is the Gala that it brings up. So I would assume that this would be the new contract address. You guys, please correct me if I'm wrong. You guys can see that, yeah. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I would make the assumption that it's this one. Binance holding 20%. Gala Games Reserve holding 7%. Okay, X holding 2%. Crypto.com, number 5 wallet, holding 1% of all the Gala. $8 million on Crypto.com. Gala sitting at 2 cents right now. I mean, that's not bad. Yeah, 1.8 cents. This was down to like 1.2 cents a couple days ago. Yeah, so the new contract address might end in CAE. The old contract address, 3DA. So that would be my guess right there, Dark. Is that you could find it that way. Now, clearly Binance still holding on to a lot of coins in this old contract address. Even on Etherscan, token migration on Gala token is migrating to a new address. New address hyperlinked. This is the CAE right here. This is that address that we just pulled up a minute ago. So, Dark, that's my assumption, is that it's that CAE address that you got right there. Let's see. Clay, Bitcoin chart's looking like it's building a flag. It probably is, man. Let's pull it up and see what it's doing. If there's even a coin named Satoshi's Vision. Oh my gosh. Malcolm, we need a coin called Claybro's Vision. Why do a lot of articles call Satoshi the CEO of Shiba Inu coin? One of two guesses, okay? They either truly don't know, and like he's fooled them into thinking that he's some sort of a Shiba Inu coin leader, project developer, or whatever, and he's actually fooled them. And they legitimately do not know, or they're trying to stay in the good graces of the Shiba Inu coin community because so many people view Satoshi as the leader. These articles feel like almost obligated to call Satoshi the leader. So that could very well be the situation, man. One of those two, they either don't know or they feel obligated to call Satoshi the leader as they feel the community believes he is the leader. So that's my best guess as to why they call him the CEO. Bitcoin flag. Let's look at a Bitcoin flag real quick, see if we can pull that up. Well, I don't see Bitcoin forming a flag of any sort on the 1 minute. You might be talking daily. I might be able to picture that on, yeah. So I can picture that on the daily here. And you could absolutely be right. So a nice little flagpole, as you would call it, in this area right here. And potentially, you know, we're starting to look like this with the upper end of these wicks being hit. Now, of course, you could use this horizontal level of support around 34,000 that's being held up right there. And that could be the bottom base of the flag, absolutely. So I definitely see that as a possibility that you've got yourself a bull flag right here. Forming on the Bitcoin daily. So if that's what you meant, man, I can absolutely see that as well. We're going to watch the minute chart move around because we like to see the ticks. Why does chat freeze? Anyone else experiencing that? I hope not. Hey, if Peach is anything like Pika, run! You'll save tons of money. But I'm just a lowly plumber. I'm just a lowly plumber. I love fixing... You guys are probably going to get weird if I start saying things about pipes. I'm just a lowly plumber, and she's the princess that needs saving. How could it get any worse than it currently is, Michael? How could it get any worse? Come back down. Hurry before $1 billion gets pumped into GFAL founder Trip Hawkins with EA Sports founder. Maybach, let's look at it, man. Let's look at GFAL. I don't know if I've seen GFAL. All right, Clay, bro, how is? Yeah, stay good. We'll be good. No more block. No more ignore, please, and thank you. Sam Demand, good deal. And I'm glad that you're going to be good. We only like the good ones in here. GFAL, better look it up early. Yeah, we'll look it up. Maybach, pulling it up right now, my friend. Pulling it up right now. Moji must hate money. Moji, don't hate money. It's good, dude. Money's good, man. What if we find out Satoshi's a 16-year-old high school student who created Shib when he was bored in geography class? I don't think that he did create Shib, though. I think he hijacked Shib. And I'm going to be honest with you, okay? I truly believe that he could have been 19, 20 in college back in 2021. So I think this was some kid who kind of hijacked the social media scene for Shiba Inu coin. Maybe he was in college, maybe he was not in college or whatever. But some sort of a Gen Z type of kid with decent social, grew up with social media, kind of understands the game of it, and got way in over his head. Honestly, got way in over his head very early. But I do believe that that's what we're seeing. I also believe that Satoshi is from somewhere in Europe. My best guess would be Italy, but I could be wrong. My best guess being Italy is because both John Richmond and Wellies are in Italy. Someone who obviously speaks English very well. So I don't know if he's... I honestly don't know if everybody in Italy speaks English very well or not. But I truly believe that we've got ourselves a European, early 20s, who is in over his head and trying to make the best of a situation without essentially ruining the situation. Because I'm going to tell you right now, guys, if Satoshi revealed himself, and he really was some, well, let's give him 22 now. If he really was some 22-year-old kid, I think a lot of people would be disappointed who actually believe Satoshi's in control, and then I believe that they would sell off. And if he did reveal himself, and it caused $1 billion sell-off in Shib, dude, the world would hate him. And look, dude, you gotta have like a certain level of savagery to move on with the world hating you. And it's probably borderline sociopathic. He may have that. I truly don't know. He may have that. But you gotta be like borderline savage for the world to hate you and essentially move on like that. You think about like Donald Trump, Elon Musk, Sam Bankman-Fried, the world hates that dude now. A lot of these guys have to have, they're essentially built different, right? And I don't know if Satoshi is ready for that. I really don't know if any 19-year-old, 20-year-old kid would be ready for that. But I think that it would be a pretty big decision for him to reveal himself, especially if it was not well received. Games for a living. Let's look at it right here, guys. Games for a living. We got ourselves a Mamma Mia! Kombu! Thank you, Kombu! Thank you very much for the mustache, Kombu! I see you! Let's go! Kombu, man, thank you very much for the mustache. Yahoo! Appreciate you on that one, man. And what does $589 glitch for XRP mean? People always talk about glitches like it's given a price prediction. Is it? No. So, Giovanni, I don't know where you would have seen a $589 price, but this kind of stuff can happen all the time. So, I don't know if it's going to be if there's going to be a glitch on the blockchain. Okay? It's not a true glitch on the blockchain. What you're seeing in crypto is a glitch between random exchanges. So, this might be a bad example right here. But as you can see, MEXC Global has GFAL listed at 3.4 cents. BitGet has it listed at 3.3 cents. So if you take the highest 3.57 cents and the lowest 3.29 cents, okay? Now that's not a very large spread between the 3.2 and the 3.5, but it is a spread, man. It is a spread nonetheless. It's roughly, what is that? Is that, it's a 10% spread, right? 3.2, let's just round down and round up to 3.3. Yeah, dude, that's a 10% spread, right? It's not 1%. So you got a decent spread in these prices right here. If the averages were not taken correctly by CoinMarketCap, you might see this glitch around between that 3.2. And then if there was no volume anywhere else except for this 3.5, this would glitch up to 3.5. It's not necessarily an indicator of the price because you could obviously have an incorrect liquidity pool here. You could have an incorrect price down here somewhere, and that would cause it to glitch. Now, with the stock market, you're going to see similar glitches as well. Usually, an exchange or a broker and so on will get it fixed very fast. But for whatever reason, the data that gets sent over from, say, directly from the New York Stock Exchange, let's say the New York Stock Exchange sends their data to Yahoo, okay? And Yahoo sends their data to your email account, or Yahoo decides to display that data. There's so many numbers in these databases that go from exchange to intermediary. Maybe the New York Stock Exchange sends it to Refinitiv. Refinitiv sends it over to, I don't know, Claybro Stock Services, right? Somewhere along the way, a number does get screwed up. Whether somebody manually adjusted that number to get screwed up, whether it's just the code written kind of jumbles those numbers a little bit, or something happens during an update and they begin to look at the wrong number. By the time Claybro Stock Services gets that information, it could cause a glitch in the price. Now, that is definitely not an indicator of true price. It's simply an indicator of error at that point and would need adjusted. So errors do occur and glitches do occur, but they're not an indicator of the true price or the true reflection or things are being revealed as to what they truly should be. So keep that in mind, man. It does happen. I've seen it happen more times than you guys know and more times than I care to talk about. Checked out name.shib. Still don't see how it benefits Shib when you have purchase with Bone. Well, dude, at least you're not being fooled. K-Hole, man. At least you're not being fooled. Clay, some rumors, if Bitcoin is closing above 34,000 tonight on the monthly, bull run confirmation, so maybe we could see a run tonight. Robbie, if enough people believe that, there will be a confirmation bias, and you will see a run tonight because of it. I don't necessarily believe that a close above 34 is going to cause a bull run. Let's look at GFAL real quick to see where it's at, see if it is still early. Doing very well on the monthly, up 27%. Wow, dude. Annual graph looking great since March, up 500%. Going from a half a cent to 3 cents. Yeah, man, this coin coming out in late March of 2023. $39 million market cap. I don't know who brought up GFAL, man, but I don't know what they do, but I have to say I really like this graph. Okay? I don't know what they do, but I really like this graph right here. It would be a slight concern. The circulating supply is so obscenely low, just about 10% of the overall total supply, knowing that they could dilute the crap out of GFAL here. But that's a beautiful graph, man. That's a beautiful graph. I've got no complaints about that graph at all. So if you guys believe that crypto gaming is going to have a very nice future, GFAL has a very nice graph so far. My only concerns, I mean, it's been out for a while, so that's not a huge concern for me. But my only concerns that just about 10% of the supply is circulating. So you could see some dilution there. That would be my only concern right there. And it's not listed on a ton of places. Yeah, basically PancakeSwap, OpenOcean, Bitmart, and then MEXC. BitGet got it as well. BitGet got, baby. BitGet got. Hey, guys, question. Is it still worth stepping into Solana at this price? Yeah, Robbie. So it could absolutely be worth stepping into Solana at this price. Solana is at some resistance, so please be careful with it, knowing that you're kind of chasing it towards this resistance level. But Solana's shown some excellent kind of prosperity over the last year, pulling back up and breaking through and erasing all of the FTX losses. I think that is a huge indicator of strength. If you're going to the all-time chart, you can see that there is some resistance right at the level it is currently at, man. It may very well pull off $40, and you might see it drop back down into the 20s. So that's a huge drop. That's a huge decline. It might set up for a better buy. But, dude, if you break this 40 area, you might be running very quickly to like $85, $90 to the next level of resistance. But as far as I'm concerned, Solana is looking good. You might not be as well off buying into the resistance. I would essentially wait, maybe pay a little more if it does break through resistance, or save yourself a little bit if it bounces off that resistance that it's currently coming into play with. Mario Claybro, it's me, Claybro, it's me, Mario JV. Absolutely, man. It's Halloween, right? I'm going to pass out some candy. There will be no afternoon live stream. I highly doubt that I'm going to be able to get back. Let me put it this way. I'm not going to be, if I get back, dude, it'll probably be like 4:30 or something. So there's not going to be no live stream this afternoon. I would rather pass out candy and see a smile on the face of my niece and nephew when they see me dressed up as Mario. So I will not be here this afternoon. I'm gonna be passing out candy, and then I guess you guys should do the same, man. Make somebody laugh today, even if you got to go. It's me, Mario. Yahoo! SEC closed door meeting, 48 hours on Bitcoin ETF challenge channel. I hope they approve it, man. Where's my lady at? I actually have no idea. Killer Peja. Killer, you need a green name, dude. I don't recognize you with that gray name. I'm typing in Killer. You can't talk and type at the same time, man. It's ridiculous. Milady. Milady's sitting down 2% today. Milady's sitting up. Give me the percentage gain on the 7-day. I don't know. From 35 to 4. 15% gain. There you go. I was going to say 20. 20% gain on the month, very nice, but on the year it is still down 94%. So Milady coming into this little resistance set up off the first decline right there. That's what you're getting into at this moment. So 4,000, 4,500 could prove to be resistance. If we break it, we got another about 50% gain up to about 6 points per coin. So watch that one there. You can move from 4 to 6 points per coin right there. Yes, we hear you. Challenge. Absolutely, man. Great names rock. 775 Brigade. You wish you had a green name. You wish you had a green name. Go save the Princess Clay. That is my goal. I will do it. Me and my brother Luigi are going to make it happen. Old Rounder says, I've never seen Mario eat a banana. Let's go. You take the banana, you tilt the head back, you lick the banana, and you stick the banana. Yahoo! Thank you very much for the banana super chat. The lick and stick on the Mario right there. Old Rounder, appreciate you on that one, man. Moji saying, get these grays out of here. Who's gonna grab that green name? Who's gonna grab that green name? Who's gonna grab that green name? Challenge channel, grab that green name. Very nice. Challenge channel, looking good in green, man. Yield the response. Wield the responsibility. Wield the green name with responsibility. Dude, you know what I'm saying. Be responsible with that green name right there. Challenge. I like that. Moji, thank you very much for the green name. I want to see 43 thank yous to Moji out there right now, man. Throwing that green name to the challenge channel, making sure everybody in the chat, except for Bree Guy, Killer Peja, and Claudio, have a green name. And Roulette Wheel. Roulette Wheel is always, he's perma-gray. Question. Maddox is 63 cents. If it reaches $6 US, is that a 10x? Yes. Claudio, that would be a 10x. So if Polygon or Matic were to go to $6, you would 10x your money. So if you invested $1,000, you would have $10,000. If you invested $100, you would have $1,000. If you invested $2,000, you would have $20,000. You would have 10 times the amount of money that you started with if Polygon or Matic goes from 60 cents to $6. That would be a phenomenal gain and a lot of money to be made, man. That would be huge if that happened. Prawn is no good for salon, bro, and bad for girls too. It is, man. It is. Sam the man, you're right on that. Prawn is not good for salon. Remember that. Prawn is not good for salon. Okay, say that 10 times. Get it into your brain. Prawn is not good for salon. It's not good for the girls either. Now, salon might be good for girls, but it's not prawn. You got to keep that in mind, all right? Drill it in there, and you're going to be good to go. Would hate to see you eat a banana in public. Yeah, right, dude. By hate, you mean love. Giovanni, I can almost guarantee if I was eating a banana in public, you'd be sitting there like this. Yeah. That is not the face of hate, my friend. That is the face of pure joy. Let's see. Good. Can you see how the golden cross for Bitcoin is looking? So we did have a golden cross yesterday. Let's see if it's still holding up on the daily chart for Bitcoin down here. We got to move these moving averages back, though. 50. 200. Yeah. So purple crossed, I think it's yesterday. Yeah, purple crossed yesterday. And this is what I said before, man. You got a very nice cross going on right there. but the fact that we've run into some very strong resistance might be very similar to when we had a death cross back here. We had that death cross on the day that Bitcoin touched a low level of support and immediately bounced right back off of it. So the death cross was essentially worthless back here on September 11th, September 12th. And the golden cross could essentially be worthless on this cross on October 30th. Why? The support level and the resistance level that it hit at may hold up and prove to be too strong right there. So if we get a bounce off of this, I think that's what you're worried about and pulling back. If you got that golden cross and then you get some fundamental catalyst like the ETF is approved, rip. You could absolutely rip higher, and people are going to blame it on the golden cross. People are going to blame it on the technicals, and they're geniuses for seeing this coming. But, dude, imagine if the SEC comes out and denies that ETF. Who cares about the golden cross in that situation? There's no way we're going to be going up if the SEC comes out and denies the ETF there. So, yes, it happened yesterday, but there's a lot of other things going on with it. Let's see. If it happens with Matic to do a 10x, all I have to do is sell my Matic on spot, Matic USDT, or when it's bull market, no one buys stuff. No. So, Claudio, all you got to do is sell it on the spot, man. All you got to do is sell it on the spot. If Polygon 10x's, all you got to do is go out there and sell it, and it will be sold, and you are going to have 10x your money. Everybody is buying during the bull market. Dude, people are buying coins at all-time high prices like they're made of money. People are buying brand new crap coins. You'll be able to go out to Dex Tools and you could start your own coin and probably make $100,000 a day starting these crap coins with no intention of ever doing anything with them because everybody is willing to buy anything during these bull markets. It's almost insanity. Everybody is willing to buy anything. So yeah, you'll just be able to go out, sell it on the spot, and immediately you'll have your money in your account right there. Welcome to all the new green names. Thank you, Moji. Danelle, thank you very much. Danelle, I'm glad you're in here. Moji, YouTube wants my banking info to keep the sub, so I need a prepaid card. I won't give him my bank info. 775 Bree guy. Yeah, don't do it, man. Don't. I mean, you can do it if you wanted to. Love Costume Clay. Well, thank you, Danelle. Let's go. So last night I was listening to the channel was loading up on XRP. They very well could be. I actually have no idea what they're doing. But nobody told me that it was 12:39. So I am going to hit you guys with an ad today. And I might actually hit you with another one since I won't be here this afternoon. So I'll let you guys decide on that one. But I am going to hit you with another ad right now since we're down a live stream today. Let's make up for it. And people willing to watch ads, just skip the second one. Skip the second one and you'll help me out. But why people buy a coin that is exploding in price and not buy now when it's low? Claudio, that is, to a logical person, your statement makes perfect sense, right? But something happens that just all logic disappears. In the bottom of a bear market, even though things are very, very cheap, nobody wants to buy them. Okay, not a single person wants to buy them at the bottom of a bear market. Why? Because they believe it's only ever going to go down. Now, at the top of a bull market, everybody is buying anything. Doesn't make sense. But they begin to believe that everything will only ever go up, that it will never pull back in price. So at the bottom of a bear market, people believe that it's only ever going to keep going down. At the top of a bull market, people believe it's only ever going to keep going up. People lose this sense of logic along the way, and that's what causes these bull and bear market cycles. So yeah, you're right, but I mean, you've got to look past the logic in that sense. OJ, Future's having another day. Not too late. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm going to have to look at it. Remember, guys, there were 400 points yesterday. Let's pull it up in a second here. Crypto Dreamer. Thank you very much for the member chat. Happy Halloween, bro, fam. Quick, thoughts on Hypercash, HCU. or HC USDT. I'm going to pull that up in a second here, Crypto Dreamer. First, I want to look at real quickly at some orange juice futures. Oh, man, I just closed that page too. Oh, I got it right here. Hey, I'm showing they're down from yesterday, though. I'm showing they're down from yesterday, man. I'm showing we're down from 400 points to 309. Ooh, they had a very good morning. That they did. They had a very good morning, ripping up to 415 points. But it seems as though they're down a little bit right now to kind of where they were yesterday. So I'd be watching out for that, man. Orange juice futures, volatile, guys. Very volatile. You're saving a lot of money if you're willing to buy 15,000 pounds worth of orange juice. A lot of money compared to what you were paying yesterday for it. 415 points down to 390 points. Orange juice is a very volatile game, guys. It's a very volatile game. We'll look at that HC USDT in a second here, right after I say Danelle. Thank you very much for the super chat, Danelle, for Clay's Halloween fun. There you go, Danelle. Appreciate that. And I am going. I don't care about you guys. I am going to have some fun today. Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Moji, for the "It's me, a meow-yo." Okay. Moving on before you guys click that unsubscribe button. Thank you very much, Moji. Thank you very much, Danelle. Appreciate both of those super chats, guys. My goodness. Oranges are expensive in the Philippines. Is orange juice expensive in the Philippines? Because I'm going to tell you right now, man, orange juice is getting pretty expensive here. Knowing that the futures are up to 390 points. 1 point equals $150. Think about that, too. Donald Bulto. Bree Guy, if Bitcoin's testing 36,000, I would absolutely get excited for 40. There's no doubt in my mind. If Bitcoin begins to test 36,000, I'm getting excited for 40. If you're looking at this daily, man, we're already starting to rock back up a little bit and turn this doji green. And if we can break out of this little level where these candle bodies are at 34,600, and if we could test 36, we're going to break above this level of resistance at 35.4. And dude, next level, it's magic, you know. Selena Gomez, love Selena Gomez. Yeah, right there, guys. If we test in 36, I'm excited for 40. Better believe that one. So I hope that it does test 36. I just don't know if we're going to be able to get that anytime soon, man. Yes, Dark Bro. Yes. Giovanni, it's simple. Subs and clicks. I may have missed something about subs and clicks. Very sorry. I miss those FTX days. Everyone was so pumped and so ready and pumped to buy. What history. Yeah, exactly, man. Michael, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Michael, ladies and gentlemen, becoming a little bro. This is not a donation. This is not a gift. This man became a bro himself. Please don't let me down. I want to see 29 thank yous in the chat right now for Michael grabbing that green name and becoming a bro. Michael, I'll be the 1, 2, 3. I'll be like the fourth to say it. Thank you very much, Michael, for grabbing that green name, becoming a bro, loving it right now, man. Nufo says, I want to see King Mario drinking some milk, man. You got it. This is kind of, yeah, that's a tough one. Thank you very much. King Nufo, thank you. Or King Nufo. Oh, he's going to change his name now. I know that one. Nufo, thank you very much. For Mario drinking milk dressed as a king. How many costumes can you theoretically have on? We could technically have like a King Pika Mario. if that were to happen. I don't know. Good job, Michael. Absolutely. Very great job, Michael. Few stores sell it for about $6 to $7 a half gallon. My gosh, dude, drink some other fruit. Nobody needs orange juice for $7 for a half a gallon of orange juice. Thank you much, bro. Use a good bro for green name. Thank you, Sam the Man. Absolutely, man. Don't forget to click that likey button. Guys, clicky the likey button right now. We have 24 likes in the chat, and we've got 32 people in here. And I know people clicked and left. So you guys absolutely need to go in and click that like button right now. What about Dark Mario? Is he a bad guy? When you drink milk, you remind me of that Jim Carrey movie. I don't listen. I'm sure he may have done that in a few different movies. But are you talking about Liar Liar? Is that Liar Liar, right? When he's in the elevator? Is that what you're talking about? Or are you talking about a different one? Nice, Nufo. Welcome, Michael. Moji's paying attention. I love it, man. Congrats, Nufo, on the 14 months. A true bro, ladies and gentlemen. He is a true bro. Tupperware to pool to. Dividend declaration for the QQQQY. $1 down from $1.10. And Jeppy 90 cents down from 91 cents. Jeppy's not a very large move there. Nobody cares about that one. 1 cent loss. Nah, nobody's going to be upset by that. The 10 cents, though, that could hit people. Tupperware, man. Tupperware's trying its best. Tupperware's showing some insane volatility, but it's up 12% on the day today. We don't need these anymore. Just clean it up slightly here. And we could put another line at this level of support if you'd like. And, of course, you guys can see it. There's another level right here. And then the major one that you don't want to cross down below is at 71 cents. So let's put that bad boy right there and watch and see what happens with Tupperware. I hope that it breaks for you, man. I hope that if you're sitting on a decent amount of Tupperware, it's a very dangerous stock, but I hope it rips back up to that $5 mark for you. And you're able to make a lot of money on it, knowing that it is volatile. So please get out if you do get a gain there. Me, myself, and Irene when he steals milk. Okay. I've only seen that movie one time, and my gosh, dude, I've seen Liar Liar more than that one. I've only seen that movie one time, and that was actually a really long time ago that I've watched that one. I don't even think I've ever seen clips from Me, Myself, and Irene. Usually you see clips from movies on TikTok or YouTube or whatever. I don't even know if I've seen clips of Me, Myself, and Irene on there. Is Tupperware good for me? Sam Demand, if you like risky stocks, Tupperware could be good for you. Michael! Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Michael, for the super chat, man. Loving it today, man. You guys gotta have some fun. Gotta have some fun. Dressed up as It's Me, Mario, on Halloween. And thank you very much for the fun. Danelle's throwing some fun out there. Moji throwing the fun out there. We had Kombu with a fun mustache earlier. We got Michael with some fun. We had the other Michael with a Mario fun. You guys are absolutely killing it today, and I appreciate you very much for it. Check out Shib holders. We are growing. We were at 46 yesterday. Where are we today, Dark Bro? This one. Let's pull up this one right here. What do we got? 46 holders yesterday. 49 holders. Dude, that's almost a 10% gain, Dark. It's almost a 10% gain in holders, man. What the heck is Dark Bro doing? He's going to have, like... Let's get this. Dark Bro's literally going to have, like, the new Shiba Inu coin. Wow. Dark Bro down 1% after hitting a literal like 30x gain on this coin. He's down 1%. Oh my gosh. Dark Bro, I don't know how you got such strength coming there with X Shib, man, but you're absolutely killing it right now. Where's QQQs? Let's look at it in 2 seconds after I say new foe. Thank you very much for the banana. You want to see Mario eat another banana, don't you? Yes, yes, you do. You take that banana, you tilt the head back. Let's go. Lick it, and you stick it. Thank you very much, new foe, for the Mario lick and stick technique. Doesn't get any better than that. Thank you very much, new foe. And Dark Bro continuing to kill it, man. QQQs, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see where the QQQs are at today. I know it was extremely volatile earlier, but we are back in positive territory. It's kind of hard to imagine, man. So this is the ascending trend line that you're gonna want to watch out for on the QQQ today. Let's put it. This looks a little bit better. Nope. This looks a little bit better right here. We're tapping these higher lows. Tapping it down here. Tried to, but broke right back up above. Tapping it. Tapping it. Treading water around it. Tapping it again. So this is what I'd watch out for, guys, is a pull back to this 348, 348.90, 349, depending on when it hits it. But if later on in the day you do get it curled over and it begins to fall down below this ascending trend line, I'd potentially get a little bit more bearish on it. But right now, man, it's running into double resistance for a potential double top around this area at 349.50, okay? Pulling this little level down from about 340 or 350 down to 349.50 intraday. Had some trouble, bounced back down from here, having some trouble again, quite possibly bouncing back down from here again. So please keep an eye on that. If you're playing the QQQ in either direction, these are your little levels of support and resistance. And already, man, a move from 349 kind of 60 to 349.40, you're sitting on probably a 20% gain, maybe a 30% gain in some stock options right there, just on those two candles. So keep an eye on the QQQ if you guys would like. I will, bro, for sure. Next level, good, I think. I'm not even sure, 1%. Pfft, 1%. Pfft. Yeah, nobody cares about 1%, Dark Bro. You're absolutely killing it on X Shib, man. Ignode, never, Moji, never. What did Moji say? Noise, welcome. My, Moji, I didn't even see you say anything, man. What the? Oh, there we go. Now we're caught back up. Moji, I didn't even see you say anything, man. Let's see. No, Moji. What did he say? Where's the QQQ? Is that what I ignored? Dude, hopefully you guys are paying attention. Hopefully you guys are paying attention. I didn't ignore the QQQ question. We just looked at it. Come on, man. I would never ignore Moji, especially talking about the QQQ. The dude wants to make some money. Let's see. We'll get Q3 for girl. Nothing word, please. Is dat for please? Translator, please. Take a look at pins. Rip City today. Mr. Normus. Let's look at it. Pins. I don't even know what pins. Oh, is this Pinterest? Yeah. Wow. They must have had an earnings report come out yesterday. A strong one. Yep. Beat estimates, ad sales, and Gen Z users rise. Gen Z. I'm not going to rip on Gen Z, guys. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. Yeah, Pinterest is looking pretty good, though. Pinterest going from $27 up to $29. The lows there, even the intraday lows, are very nice. But yesterday was trading at about $25, and we're all the way up to almost $30 per share on Pinterest today. Now, lockdown lows, or the lockdown highs, essentially, but the lockdown lows brought us to these lockdown highs at $90 a share for Pinterest. So erase this gain when everybody was imprisoned in their own homes. And I believe that you're looking at this level of resistance, absolutely what we were testing before, and a shorter, more conservative level of support. And, well, then you do have this level, but we're going to put it down here where it double tapped here and here. So longer term, you got one last line that we can keep an eye on for Pinterest. If you guys are a longer-term trader, knowing that this is a weekly graph right here, it does seem to want to use this ascending trend line at the moment. Boom, boom, potentially going to curl back over, come back down and test this at some point. So watch out for that one. But yes, Pinterest is absolutely ripping today. 18+% gains. Yesterday it was up 800 on XRP. Today, $1,000. Giovanni, that is excellent, man. Is that a leverage position or have you bought in? Like, what's the deal with your position there? Because if it's leveraged, man, I don't want you to risk too much of it. But I mean, obviously you can hold it forever because it's a spot holding. You're probably pretty good there. Dark Bro, what is the last 4 digits of the Shib address? Geopay, the last 4 digits of the Shib address can be seen right here. And oh man, I just clicked on it. EEE0. EEE0 are the last 4. So EEE0 right here. Only 49 holders. Dark Bro, you got to be aware, okay? Pancake Swap holds 13% of the supply. Somebody holds 10, somebody holds 5. One of those may be Michael, but I'm not sure. Dark Bro does hold 54% of the supply. Now, Dark Bro has committed to burning as you guys reach new levels of holders and all of that right there. But yeah, dude, I mean, and here's the thing you got to be aware of as well. This has nothing to do with Dark Bro. But there is a 2% buy tax and a 2% sell tax. So I don't know where that money is going. I don't know if it's going to the developer. I don't know if it's going to some sort of a burn wallet. I have no idea where that tax money is going. If Dark Bro has figured it out, okay, but I have no idea. So please be aware. Somebody's going to be making some money or somebody's going to be doing something with that 2% buy and sell tax on your guys' purchases that is not Dark Bro. I mean, dude, I would love to see Dark Bro make $1 million on this coin if it does nothing but see success. But at the same time, you know, if you're doing $1 million in volume, that guy's walking away with like $20,000 in just transactional taxes. So please be aware of it. Let's see. Yes, swimming is good. No more girls. Thank you for your help. Absolutely, Sam Demand. Everybody have a claytastic Halloween. Stay safe, warm, and a special happy Halloween to Pika Power. Pika, if you're in here, happy Halloween to you. It's a me, Mario. But I haven't seen Pika in here, so I don't know if she's in here right now or not. I bought XRP at 48 cents. I'm going to hold because of the hype behind it. Let's see what it does in the bull market. Very nice. Giovanni, man, I do hope that it rips, right? I hope that it rips, and I hope it takes you from your 48 cents and you never see 48 cents again. I hope that you see $4.80 before you see 48 cents again, man. I really do. You too, Danelle. See you all Thursday. Heck yeah, Mo G. If you're getting out of here, enjoy it, Mo G. See you on Thursday. And guys, just a quick reminder, okay? I doubt that I'll post it in the Discord because I'll be busy passing out candy. But there will not be 99% sure, right? I mean, something could happen, but there will not be a live stream this afternoon. So enjoy your afternoon. Make somebody smile this afternoon. Put a costume on. Act like an idiot. Whatever you got to do to make somebody laugh. Have some fun doing it, man, and just enjoy your afternoons. That's what we got to do, man. We got to enjoy every single one of our moments. And nonetheless, if you guys aren't going to be in here for the live, just know. Guys are going to be happy getting candy, and you can do the same for others. Let's see. I also don't know where that tax goes. The wallets I was tracking, were owned by Pancake Swap. I doubt it goes unless it goes back to the liquidity pool, Dark Bro. I don't know why I would go to Pancake Swap. Let's see. Till the next time, later, bros. Giovanni, absolutely, guys. It is he says live stream. Forget them kids, man. Forget them kids. They don't need no candy or no Halloween. Making core memories that'll last them a lifetime. Forget those kids. Knox, man. I'll be back tomorrow. If you guys want to get your names in the chat right now, get your names in the chat. We're going to be doing some shout-outs, and we will be back later. Not for the afternoon live stream, but for the videos tonight. Please watch them. Rewatch this live stream, whatever you do, man. Anytime you skip a live, you skip the ads and all that stuff as well. So let's do these shout-outs, guys, and then we're going to enjoy the afternoon, and we'll be back. Donnell, enjoy your afternoon. Sam Demand, see you later, man. Dark Bro Giovanni, congratulations on the XRP, and hopefully it continues to do nothing but go up for you. Moji, see you Thursday, man. Back to the Future, Knox Bill, see you later. Mr. Normus, have a great Halloweeny, absolutely. Moji, see you later, man. Next Level, see you, Kombu. Sam Demand, Donnell, the Challenge Channel, Kombu, Dark Bro, Moji, Geoped, Aiden, Sam Demand, Old Rounder, Giovanni, enjoy it. Dark Bro, Next Level, Knox, Kombu. We got Michael, see you later. And Michael, thank you very much for grabbing that green name and the super chat today. Back to the Future, Geoped, Next Level, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.